Bagman Ramil Madriaga became emotional as he read part of his testimony against his supposed former boss, Vice President Sara Duterte. The VP has since denied knowing him, but Madriaga was still summoned by the House Justice Committee for cash deliveries, allegedly on behalf of Duterte. Sara is facing impeachment complaints over accusations of funds misuse, a kill plot against President Marcos and his family, and other high crimes.
Sa kanya pong complaint affidavit laban sa inyo in the perjury case na hindi niya po kayo kilala.
Hindi po totoo yun, Madam Chair. Marami pong makakapagpapatunay na mga opisyal sa gobyerno at mga kasama namin sa isip na mayroon kaming mga naging pagpupulong. Lalo na nung eleksyon, na halos kasama ko siya 24 hours. Kilala po niya ako at kilala ko rin po siya.
Madriaga claimed to have been introduced first to the VP's father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, by the late National Security Advisor and Congressman Roy Logoles. When Digong became president, he became part of the NSC. Madriaga said he later became a direct employee of Mr. Duterte, earning 100 to 150,000 pesos a month. In 2018, Ramil went on. He crossed paths with Sara, who at the time was eyeing re-election as mayor of Davao City.
During this meeting, PRRD introduced me to Sara and told me, Ram, ikaw na bahala kay Inday. She gave me strict instructions that all conversations should be done as much as possible by call and minimize text messages.
Madriaga added the VP was a favored child.
PRRD wanted VP Sara in politics instead of Paulo Duterte Pulong and Sebastian Duterte Baste, who he characterized as baliw and bading, respectively.
Madriaga claimed he was even offered 25 million pesos by Digong to buy a motorcycle that Sara can use, then ordered to form a group that would support Sara's candidacy for president in the 2022 elections. Madriaga showed so-called proof of the group's travels across the country, including virtual meetings with Digong's eldest daughter. In one photograph, the now VP had a painting in her background, which Madriaga said he personally gifted Mr. Duterte. Then this video.
Ito po yung pagdating ni VP Sara sa Matnog. Nandun po ako sa loob ng sasakyan ko sa Land Cruiser. Tapos hinahanap niya po ako dahil wala po ako eh.
Sino po yung Sir Ram na tinatawag niya?
Ako po, Your Honor. Ako po, Madam Chair.
Kayo po.
Happy birthday, Sir Ram. I wish you good health and happiness.